Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is June 30th, 2021. HIVE Blockchain. This is it. We're going to talk about HIVE Blockchain today. We're going to give you all a price prediction as to where we're expecting the market price to go, all without being confused. You guys can see it hasn't been long. You know, we did a price prediction in HIVE on April the 18th. So it's been almost 2 months since we did our price prediction in HIVE Blockchain. You guys can see right there, we played a weakness into the market, and that is precisely where the price went. Okay, so now before I break our newest price prediction down to you, if you want to join our community, you know, the doors are open, and if you want to participate with us, hit the like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel. We're here to drop nuggets and gems to our community so that they can also do the same that we are capable of doing, and everyone can eat and everyone can actually win in the space, right? We're trying to build this massive community of individuals who's able to eat off the market. And if you want to join us, we're here. So now, I wanted to show you this very quick article though first, just letting everyone know that HIVE is announcing a NASDAQ listing date, and it's going to be July 1st, 2021, which is tomorrow, okay? The ticker symbol is going to be HVBT. That is the new ticker symbol starting tomorrow for HIVE Blockchain. It is no longer HVBTF. It is going to be HVBT. Okay. I just wanted to show you all that article right there, just to tell everyone that the market listing is going to be on a different exchange. This is going to be on the NASDAQ. So now let's go back to the chart and see what happened against our last price prediction in HIVE. Not a surprise that we saw the weakness back in April. The market continued to drop in price, so we was already there, waiting for the market to go that low, and it did. So we're done. So now the market ultimately came all the way down here to $2 in HIVE. That's 42%. The value of HIVE shares have dropped 42%. So if you would have shorted the market, you could have garnered 42% at the low. Today, the market is around $2.74. But either way, 24.25% profitability was had into the market relatively quick. I mean, right there on the 23rd of April. We had other opportunities to also come back and eat into the market in our prediction. All right, so that's done. That is over. So I'm gonna zoom out now, and this is what the market was doing prior to today, right? When we did our price prediction, the market in HIVE has broken this overall ascending line. The market price in HIVE was actually trading above our line. All the way since like November 2020, we've been in an uptrend. That was broken right here in April. Tested that ascending line again, came right back down. So yeah, we're not in an uptrend right now in the market in HIVE. So if we're not in an uptrend, then what in the world are we in? There's only two other options. Either we're in a downtrend or we're going to trade sideways. That's it. Okay. So now let's take this line here, because we've already seen that the market trap is trying to keep the price in HIVE right around this area right here, right? How do I know? Well, take a look at the 23rd. Or the 22nd. Take a look right there on May the 19th, right? He wouldn't have came and touched that line if he didn't want to prop up the price. He wouldn't. And then on top of that, we saw this market in HIVE recently break these areas of restriction. So we're seeing progressional market movement higher in HIVE. Okay, you guys can see the price is now trading above this line, to where the market was acting as support. It is now being treated as restriction. We broke that yesterday, okay? And not only did we break that restriction area of $2.65, but look at how we broke it, okay? That's where all the indication, all the clues are at, okay? So let me take this up a little bit higher. Now, let me zoom in, okay? One thing I tell everyone in our community is take a look at the volume, right? It took this amount of energy, this amount of volume, in order for us to break that $2.65 price. It did. So now, where are we headed? Okay. Are we expecting the price in HIVE to come up here to around $3? Let's see. This is the 2-day time frame in HIVE, and the strength is definitely there. I like it. What's going on so far on the 2-day time frame? This is the 3-day. Even like the 3-day time frame. So I'm going to play the strength into the market in HIVE. Now, based off what the spread is on the 3-day, the 2-day time frame, even here on the 5-day, it's possible that we could see this market come up to around $3.15, maybe even $3.45, $3.50. Okay, let's see. Right here around 250 is going to be our support area, i.e., so long as price trades above that area, we are already on the premise that the market has the ability to go higher. Now we break $2.45 to the downside on weakness, then this prediction is not going to work. You need to cut it. We'll need to cut it and move on to the next play. Okay. Now, bring it up there to around $3.13. Yeah, that's very feasible. Okay, and it's not being greedy. Let me see this on a weekly. So if we continue to get a lot of strength into the market in HIVE, I won't be surprised to see this market come up to around 337 though. Okay, 337. But I'm not going to play that yet. We'll definitely like to see how the market concludes on the weekly basis before I do that. Now, if we see following yesterday's price action, the market in HIVE goes lower, and we still see the inability for this market to gain strength and momentum, then yeah, this prediction is not going to work out either. But so far, when I look at the 2-day, the 3-day, the 5-day time frames, we're still seeing the indication that the trap wants to increase the price. So we're going to play that. Okay. So now we're in position. This area right here is our support price. Okay. I'm going to follow that. First area TP is around $3. Well, no, I said around $2.90. $2.90 is our first area TP. And the second area is all the way up there around our ultimate TP price of around $3.11. And that's it. So now it's your turn. Where do you all think the price in HIVE is going to go? Leave us a comment in the comment section, and let's not be confused. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, I'll talk to you on the next one.